हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। विशाल गुप्ता आपका टीचर। कैसे हो आप सब स्टूडेंट्स? इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की जो इंग्लिश का सब्जेक्ट होता है उसका एक आर्टिकल कराने जा रहा हूं, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन सिक्योरिटी। स्टूडेंट्स, ये मैंने आपको एक प्रिस्क्राइब्ड पैराग्राफ के फॉर्म में, आर्टिकल के फॉर्म में की नोट्स बता रहा हूँ। आपको इससे देख के अपने आर्टिकल खुद भी लिख सकते हो। ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलिए बात करते हैं सबसे पहले कि एआई मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हैज़ बिकम अ क्रिटिकल कंपोनेंट इन इनहैंसिंग सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स अक्रॉस वेरियस डोमेन्स. It offers advanced capabilities in threat detection, analysis and response. Here are some examples of how AI is used in security. पहला है intrusion detection and prevention system. AI powered IDPS can monitor network traffic and identify suspicious patterns of anomalies in real time. These can block or mitigate potential threats before they can cause harm. Malware detection. AI algorithm can analyze files and network traffic to detect and quarantine malware. They can identify both known threats based on signatures and new previously unseen threats based on behavior analysis. User authentication. AI-driven biometric authentication systems use facial recognition, voice recognition or fingerprint scans to verify user identity, making it difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. Email security. AI used in email filtering to identify phishing attempts, spam and malicious attachments. It can analyze email content and sender behavior to spot suspicious emails. Endpoint security. AI-driven endpoint protection platforms can detect and respond to threats on individual devices, computers, smartphones, etc. These are machines learning to identify abnormal behavior that may indicate an attack. Video surveillance. AI-powered video analytics can identify unusual behavior in security camera feeds. For example, they can recognize unauthorized individuals, detect loitering or spot abandoned packages in public spaces. Predictive policing. Some law enforcement agencies use AI to predict where crimes are likely to occur based on historical data, helping allocate resources more effectively. Fraud detection. AI algorithms analyze financial transactions in real time to identify potentially fraudulent activities. They can spot unusual spending pattern or account access from unfamiliar locations. Cyber threat intelligence. AI can help gather and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources to provide actionable threat intelligence, helping organizations stay ahead of the emerging threats. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो सिक्योरिटी chatbots, AI-powered chatbots can provide instant responses to security-related queries and assist in incident response by guiding security teams through investigation and remediation processes. Smart lock. तो ये क्या चीज़ होती है? It is a biometric lock can provide access to homes without keys using fingerprints. Owners can also provide temporary access to individuals using their smartphones. Smoke alarms. Nest Protect smoke alarm can inform the owner the actual cause of the smoke through the app and also issue early warnings to prevent major accidents. Surveillance. Deep Central has launched a surveillance system powered by AI that can predict break-ins and thefts before they occur so as to raise an alarm and alert the police authorities. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स। तो इन सारे की वर्ड्स को लेके, की पॉइंट्स को लेके आप अपने वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करके, अपने थॉट का इस्तेमाल करके इसको रीडिज़ाइन करके अपने लिए एक आर्टिकल तैयार कर सकते हो। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, विशिंग यू गुड लक।